Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to do true-false questions, figuring out who's telling the truth, who's lying, okay? These kind of questions always follow the same layout in the sense that they always state the configuration you needed. I'll tell you what that means in a second. And yeah, so in this case, okay, if you haven't read this question, I want to urge you to just pause the video, have a read, try this question on your own, and then watch the video again. So here, the configuration we need is that the fact that one of them told the complete truth, so we need a true, true. One of them lied completely, so false, false. And one of them named only one person correctly. So we need a true, true, false, true, false, okay? So always look for the configuration first. And now go to the options. You want to skip the statements because you don't know what you're looking for just yet. Now, when you go to the third step is that you want to assume each option is true. Okay, so now we're going to assume that Johnny was the one who ate the cake. And there's a vital piece of information is that who was the person who ate the cake lied completely. So we got to assume that Johnny's statements are both false. So let's take a look at Johnny, assuming that he's the one who ate the cake. He's saying I ate it with Amanda. Looking at it, the fact that he is saying that he ate it, that's a contradiction because that's a true statement. So we can cross out Johnny. And anyone who says that it was me, so again, Amanda, can't be Amanda either, so we cross her out as well. So now let's take a look at Kyle. Okay, Kyle's saying that it was Johnny and Catherine. So now we got to assume that Johnny and Catherine were the one who ate it. Well, who did not eat it, sorry, my bad. It's the one who ate the cake, both are lies. So the people who ended up eating it must have been Kyle and Amanda. Now that takes out one of the configurations that's needed, so one of the options, yeah. So now let's take a look at Catherine's statement. Johnny and Kyle ate it. We know that Kyle definitely ate it, so that's a true statement, and Johnny did not eat it, so that's a true false crossed out. Looking at Johnny, he's saying that I ate it with Amanda. Well, we know that Johnny didn't eat it, so that's a false statement, and Amanda did eat it, so that's a true statement. So again, we have a true false that crossed out. So the last one must be a true statement, and looking at Amanda, she's saying it was me and Kyle. So true option is gone. Because all the configuration works, we can say that Carl's the one who definitely ate it. Okay. Again, remember all these questions are quite straightforward in the sense that same layout. So always look for the configuration, skip to the question options, assume each option is true, and then do a trial and error. Okay. We can do the same thing for this question as well. At least one of them, so we know that statements are given and we know that one of them is telling the truth and one of them is lying. So we need a true statement and we need a false statement. So one of them is lying. And the other one can be either true or false. Okay. The color of the horse must be, so again, let's assume it's for 1 second, it's going to be black. Paul, he's saying it's not black. That's a false statement. It's a line. Sandy says either brown or gray. Nope, it's black. And Andy says the horse is brown. That's also false. So because we do not meet this configuration, A cannot be the answer. Okay, let's take a look at option B where we assume it's going to be brown. Horse is not black. True. It's not black. Is brown or gray? True. The horse is brown. Again, we have three true statements where we need one true, one false. The other can be anything. So that doesn't work either. Now looking at gray, the first guy is saying horse not black. That's true. Either brown or gray. That's true. Horse is brown. False. See, it does meet our configuration, right? So but when they say it must be, we want to be quite clear on. We have to be quite certain. Always look at the last option as well. When they say any other color other than black or brown. So while gray fits in under that category, we should also be testing out whether it has to be gray or any other color. So let's assume what it would be. For example, color for horse can be white. So in that case, horse is Paul is saying it's not black, so that's true. It's not black. Brown or gray, that's false. And the horse is brown, that's false as well. That also meets our configuration, and because that is a more complete answer, D has to be it. Okay.